making vegan zucchini microwave pizzas. So here in this little video, you shall be seeing I am cutting up an organic zucchini from my mom's garden. I'm slicing it in large, thinner slices because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tomato sauce and nutritional yeast to put on the top. The first thing I'm going to do is I will take the zucchinis and I will take the tomato sauce and I will spread a layer of the tomato sauce on all of the zucchinis as I am doing here. And then, well, you can just see how I do that. Each one gets a nice layer of tomato sauce on them. And then we will sprinkle the nutritional yeast on top. After this, I will microwave the zucchini pizzas for about 15 minutes, 5 minutes each rotation. Here are the zucchini pizzas I had sliced, the organic homegrown zucchini, put some organic tomato sauce on top, sprinkled on nutritional yeast, so these are like vegan veggie pizzas. Can't wait to try it.